Good morning. Another wonderful day here in the Philippines. We just got to we're in Bayawan. We're gonna have a little party here, a little fiesta, and we're right on the beach. There's the pick of the day. What's this, bud?
That's fish head.
Big fish.
You want to eat?
It's all the food in the Philippines. You just non-stop eating here, non-stop. Right, bub?
Yeah.
Right, here it is. Coconut on what island? We're in Bayawan. You guys know the rules. Here we go. Woo! This is a good one.
Okay.
I have to give it a wow. That's a 7.9. That's how they do it. Chop chop. Chop chop. It's good coconut. Good bouquet. That was a lot. That was a lot of juice in this one. You definitely will not get dehydrated out here. It's coconut time. Poor pig.
9 months.
9 months?
9 months.
Dali ara good.
9
Baby is
months.
9 months.
8 medals on.
Yeah.
Time to make our own baby. We're gonna work hard tonight, huh?
Let's go. I'm down. I think I can hold it. I'll hold it. Yeah, I don't think I can do it. Gonna wait for a regular bathroom. Looks like a squatty potty or some kind of thing.
Baka virgin.
Ang tamburo.
Pagpag-virgin pa lang.
Gane, anong sa dito? Baca niyo si Jeff, oh! Galagot ako. Hawa na sila. Ganahan na noon ni siya. No more. Just get Casey or...
Do it!
Wow! Ang mayo.
There you go. Winner of the egg throwing competition. All right, I'm in the middle of the ocean. All right, no, I'm not. All right. Got some people that want to come out swimming with Mr. Weber, of course. But in seriousness, this water is awesome. So I'm gonna do some laps. Let's try to swim like a mile or two in this water. Probably go far, probably down there, and then this way, and then to the boat. So a nice little triangle, you know, a triangle. So it's that. All right, today's our last night in Mexico.
New badge lock.
Cheers. Just kidding. Dinner time, right, Jeb?
Yeah.
Jeb's my camera guy, right?
Yeah.
Can you, Jeb, can you dance?
Jeb, we're gonna go on the streets next week,
Where?
Dumaguete.
right in front, the main street.
Yeah.
No, not Dumaguete.
Balay din yung kasada.
Okay.
Pwede.
Can you dance again, Jeb?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Why don't
Oh, that's like hip hop. It's like a hip hop artist.
That's good.
Yeah, Mr.
At least Jeb has a rhythm.
Wala ba dyan?
Has rhythm when he dances, right?
No, that's good. That's good. It's like
Pretty good.
you should be a rapper.
You want to be a rapper?
Isa yung favorite rapper dyan.
Dagan.
Instagram.
Lil Jon.
You should be a
Negros.
rapper.
Migos.
Oh,
Having dinner.
Pump.
Dagan,
Marami.
Soon. It's coming. What is that?
Gecko.
Can we see it?
No.
Yeah, it is that.
No, that's not that one.
Yes, it
It's
is.
really tiny.
Those are the things that making the noises. Babe, this is where we got married, right?
Yeah.
Just very excited that we're back. This is Jordan was right there. And mom is over there. It's right there. You gotta have a karaoke machine everywhere you go. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. This is we're just gonna have dinner and end the night. Well, maybe I might go night swimming. I don't know. So I'll keep it open. But if it is open, I'll be back. Here we go.
Also.
It's the ultimate test. Here we go. A little bit of rice. And try all these foods around the world. Give it a rating, right? Alright, let's go. Here we go. Alright guys, just want to say thank you for watching my vlog. Make sure you get Hero Soap Company soap.com. That's a good thing to have. Keep clean. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow.